Technology has become a central part of modern life. From communication and healthcare to transportation and work, many daily activities rely on electronic devices. Smartphones, laptops, wearable technology, electric vehicles, and smart home systems have transformed how people interact with the world. But as technology evolves rapidly, more devices are being replaced and discarded each year. This growing volume of electronics is creating what many experts believe could become the next major tech waste crisis. Preparing for this challenge requires better product design, responsible use, and effective recycling systems. Over the past 2 decades, the number of electronic devices in use has increased dramatically. People now rely on multiple devices for work, communication, entertainment, and everyday tasks. Homes and workplaces are becoming more connected through smart devices, wearable technology, and Internet of Things systems. While these innovations improve convenience, they also increase the amount of electronic waste produced each year. Millions of devices reach the end of their life cycle annually, and without proper recycling systems, they can pose serious environmental risks. Responsible recycling through professional services and licensed recyclers helps ensure these devices are handled safely. The next generation of electronic waste will be larger and more complex than previous generations. Older electronics often contained simpler components that were easier to dismantle and recycle. Today's devices include advanced materials, lithium-ion batteries, microchips, and rare earth elements. These materials improve device performance but also make recycling more challenging. At the same time, the rapid growth of Internet of Things devices, such as smart sensors, earbuds, and connected appliances, is dramatically increasing the number of electronics entering the waste stream. Several trends are accelerating the growth of electronic waste. One major factor is the shortening lifespan of devices. Software updates, hardware improvements, and consumer demand often make electronics obsolete even when they still function. Another challenge is limited repairability. Many devices are designed with sealed components and proprietary parts that make repairs difficult. Data security concerns also discourage reuse, as individuals and businesses worry about sensitive information stored on old devices. Finally, emerging technologies, such as augmented reality systems and advanced computing devices, will introduce entirely new forms of electronic waste. Many recycling systems were originally designed to process older electronics such as televisions and desktop computers. Modern electronics are far more compact and complex, often containing embedded batteries, sensors, and multiple layers of materials. These tightly integrated components make it harder to separate materials and recover valuable resources during recycling. In addition, recycling infrastructure varies widely across regions, and some areas still lack adequate collection and processing systems. Professional recycling providers and licensed recyclers play an essential role in managing modern electronic waste responsibly. Improving product design is one of the most effective ways to reduce electronic waste. Devices built for durability, repairability, and recyclability can significantly extend product lifespans. Modular designs allow components such as batteries or screens to be replaced without discarding the entire device. Circular economy strategies also encourage refurbishment, reuse, and material recovery. By keeping products and materials in circulation longer, these approaches help reduce waste and conserve resources. Government policies and technological innovation will play an important role in managing future e-waste. Right-to-repair legislation and extended producer responsibility programs encourage manufacturers to design more sustainable products. At the same time, new technologies are improving recycling capabilities. Artificial intelligence can help identify materials more accurately, while robotics-assisted dismantling systems can process complex electronics more efficiently. Chemical recycling technologies are also being developed to recover valuable materials from advanced devices. Consumer awareness is another key factor in reducing electronic waste. Many people do not fully understand the environmental impact of improper electronics disposal. Educational programs can encourage individuals to repair devices, donate working electronics, and use responsible recycling programs. Providing convenient recycling locations and clear guidance can also increase participation in recycling efforts. When consumers choose responsible disposal options and work with trusted licensed recyclers, valuable materials can be recovered and reused. The next major tech waste crisis is already beginning to emerge. As technology continues to advance, the number of devices in circulation will keep growing. By improving product design, strengthening recycling systems, and increasing public awareness, society can address this challenge responsibly. Responsible electronics recycling protects natural resources, prevents pollution, and supports a more sustainable technology economy. If your organization or community needs responsible electronics recycling solutions, we are here to help. Together, we can ensure electronics are processed safely through trusted licensed recyclers protecting both innovation and the environment for future generations.